Want to make short videos for YouTube in minutes? With free AI URL to Shorts tools, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube Shorts and how to do it step by step. Welcome to another enlightening How to Make YouTube Shorts from existing videos on Learnify AI. In today's education video, I will guide you URL to Shorts video using free AI and make YouTube Shorts from the URL. Without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. To begin, navigate to the link provided in the video description, apps.toshort.ai. Once you've arrived at the website, you'll need a video link to get started. You can choose a link from various platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, or others. In this video, I will be using a YouTube link as our example. Go to YouTube and select any video link you prefer. Now, return to toshort.ai and paste the YouTube link into the designated field. In this particular case, the video for how to make shorts from long video with AI free we selected was originally 3 minutes in length, but with the magic of this tool, we've managed to create one short video. The longer the original video you choose, the more short videos you can create. Simply select your preferred option from the list. Then, click on the Edit and Export button to begin the editing process. Inside the editing interface, you have the option to fine-tune your short video. Click on Auto Crop, a nifty feature designed to streamline the editing process. It automatically detects faces and ensures that the active speaker remains at the center of attention, making your editing tasks a breeze. Now, let's customize your short video even further. Begin by selecting the output format from the settings menu. You can also adjust the auto crop face confidence to fine-tune the face detection accuracy. Next, click on the auto crop feature, and you can further refine its sensitivity to suit your preferences. If you'd like subtitles in your video, simply toggle the subtitle option to on. Here, you can choose from various subtitle presets, adjust the subtitle size, and determine their position within the video. This allows you to create engaging and accessible content for your audience. For more precise control over subtitles, you can explore the subtitle splitting feature. Click on it to fine-tune your subtitle placement within the video. To further enhance your video, you can also edit the camera angles. This feature allows you to adjust how the video is framed and presented. Once you've made all the necessary edits and are satisfied with your short video, simply click the Export button to save your How to Create YouTube Shorts fast masterpiece. If everything looks good, you're ready to share your newly created short video with your audience.
Trainee!
Get a power restraint on him, now!
Calm down, Squirt. It's it's over. We got you. What's that do?
Power dampening collar. Shuts down all mutant abilities. Can't get it off unless you've got a grenade.
Huh. Could have used one of those in the first act.
Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. I trust you found this video informative and motivating. If you have any inquiries or wish to share your AI-powered YouTube content experiences, please feel free to post them in the comments section below. Freshest tips, tricks, and tutorials by clicking the subscribe button and enabling notifications. If you want to watch how to access ChatGPT-4 for free, click on left. If you want to watch the top 4 free image to AI animation video generator, happy Learnify AI, goodbye.